Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Today we're gonna unbox something from Parkside. I know you love all these things you see on the supermarket. So we have a water sprinkler that do magic. So let's unbox it and see how it goes.
Let's go.
So it says full cycle sprinkler.
So it has her garden tools here.
Yeah.
This is not exactly
I don't know what you're doing.
trying to cut it off the...
Yeah, you cut one side.
I cut one side. Did it my way because I'm stubborn. And I got it out.
Okay, so let's see this.
It goes around.
Yes. Don't look at Zoe what she's doing, she's just playing.
She's playing.
So this is a pin. Let me try to focus. You're gonna try to focus? Yep. A pin that you use when you block those holes on the top.
So you can clean them out.
Yeah, if they get calc. And it has a valve on off. But the main feature why we bought it is because it says that it does a full cycle. And we're gonna compare it with a dropper. You already know this video. So let's go and do a test. Yep.
So we just connect it to our water pipe until it clicks. We put it where we want it.
And what Zoe didn't show.
Oh no, what did
it's obvious. It's obvious for you.
It's taken Zoe with.
It's obvious for you, but you see those things here. Let me unzoom a little so you can see. You see these things here. You adjust how far the motor goes left and right. All right. So we're gonna test the full threshold. All right. Parkside quality. We will see how it goes. So let me zoom it for you to see.
It's water in the shed. That is on low.
Full power.
Full power. I am not sure about that.
I am sure about that.
Okay.
I want to see how it goes.
Okay. The camera is safe.
So let's do some adjustment. Cut the water. You remember what Zoe did in the beginning? She was turning the motor the wrong way.
Oh no.
So right now it's stubborn and it doesn't want to go where it's supposed to be, which is in the front. Let's see the full cycle. As you see, it goes around and it goes quite far. I'm a little wet. Right, looks perfect, but let's test it against rubber.
Well, to know, I have not turned the water on full power.
All right.
So I will have the same on the other one to compare it right.
Yes. So let's change it and see what's the difference with the dropper. Again, the dropper has adjustable settings. Okay, so we can say this. All right. So let's see the difference between those two.
So that is the same pressure of water.
And it looks like we have a winner because the Parkside is
Sends it way more far away.
saves water, yeah.
Yeah.
But let's put it a little harder.
Let's go and put it
Let's
a bit,
give him
yeah.
a try, a chance. So yeah. Okay, let's cut the water and put again the Parkside and see the difference. Look at that. It's gonna make me wet.
Oh, sorry, Dee. That was the same power we put on the dropper to get it a little bit.
Yeah, so it's making a nice effort to consume less water, so that's a plus. Just can you lower it a little?
I will lower it. That is nearly off now.
So, what a pleasant surprise. So nice quality from Parkside. Let me show you how high the water goes in the middle. All right, so let's go to the conclusion.
Yeah, let's go. I'll just turn off the water.
So, on the battle between the Parkside and the Dropper,
Yeah.
we have a clean winner from water economy.
Parkside.
It's Parkside, and it
Yeah.
has a system that you can shut and
Yeah.
open the water,
Mm-hmm.
and it's rubberized. If you want to use something to water your
lawn.
your garden grass, we have a winner here.
This one goes way further away, and with the same pressure of water, because I was actually checking the pressure. This goes way further than that one. The good thing is with a dropper, I will admit that, is if you have a small garden that you want to just like water a small piece, I would suggest that Bev's playing with the water. But for bigger gardens and bigger distances, this is better
And stronger.
and stronger.
All right, so don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
This is Zoe and Mr. D. So we unbox stuff for you. So thank you very much for watching, and have a nice night, and see you on the next one.
See you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.